Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to reset the Google Chrome web browser back to a default state without actually having to reinstall the browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty quick tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up Google Chrome if it's not already open. Once you have Google Chrome open, you want to go up to the menu icon up in the top right, left click on it one time, and then proceed to left click on settings near the bottom of that menu, and then it comes up after that. Once you're on a screen that looks like this, you want to scroll down on this page until you get to advanced, and you want to left click on that. And now you want to continue to scroll down here until you get to the area that says restore settings to their original defaults. Left click on this box right here. You get a little prompt saying this will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pin tabs. It will also disable all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your bookmarks history and saved passwords will not be cleared. And if you want to keep this box checked to help make Chrome better by reporting current settings, you can keep it checked. Otherwise, you can uncheck it. And then left click on reset here. This will take a moment, so please be patient. And there you go, guys. I would recommend restarting the web browser at this time, and you should be good to go. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.